Welcome back to Acid Hot, the Ogbonge Politics discussion show. On top of the senior brother of all the television when inside the border of the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. As the only television station where we kick goat to take use make pepper soup for you. We knock now with 3 telephone lines, come top them up with 1 toll-free line. What be toll-free line? You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go dey pay. After we talk this small talk with Okagbola about our phone lines go open automatically so that you self go call to chook mouth for inside this matter. I don't call the name of our Ogbonge guest. The other person we una know na Unkubi and my humble self Ezugu Chokwode.
Yes, Okagbola, we want to ask one question before we go for that break. We know say yes before now. Oga Muhammad Buhari talk say look, say in go restrict investigate when he enter into part to the government we hand over to them. That we will be the now it will be the full up. But more also look at the visit of Oga Jonah to the president
for midnight.
For midnight.
In the dead of the night.
In the dead of the night. We say nobody. Now at least we got the ask whether only people know say where they work out for that kind of night now and we will not enter that side. We can also see the immediate visit of Oga OBJ
the following day.
Okay. More could go ask him. More could ask this one. Since you don't talk, say, look, okay, will they restrict the investigate to Oga Jonah? We can't see, say, Oga Jonah can't go visit. Only God know what Oga Jonah follow and talk. Whether I talk, say, because Oga Jonah don't talk and say, make na not restrict this thing only to my government.
Probe everybody.
And I believe now one of the reasons why he goes to Oga Muhammad Buhari. Okay, when make Oga OBJ come out, also come visit your own. Come and talk, say, no allow anybody to see money. From I don't know whether he restrict them to the Oga Jonah government. He say everybody.
He say we don't chop Nigeria money.
We don't include the own government.
But the way when you talk am now this last government.
But when we dey look am, we come dey see different visits from different angles. Because by the time all this is start dey unleash, you go to say a lot of hands go dey for this corruption thing. Shey notice na people's interest. People dey try protect their interest before the gbege go happen.
Thank you.
I pity Nigeria. You know why I pity Nigeria? When I still there for person weighing her sharp for journalism, especially you know the place where me practice my journalism now for UK, England.
For Mama Shali country now.
Anybody where they government, where no run an open, transparent government and be accountable to its electorate, the public, we end up having rumor. As I dey hear from left and right, the rumor go dey important pass genuine news. Because then they meet for night, then they meet for party, then they meet for corner.
You go let me finish. But these are our government people. Why then they waiting go just make somebody just wake up, say won't go visit? I remember when APC governors carry waka go meet Oga President.
Can I finish?
No, you will finish, but because of
don't point me now.
No.
Don't point me. Don't point at me.
Mark that question down.
Mark that question down.
Because you now only Oga Jonah visit.
Mark question.
Mark that question down.
No, people come.
You now know who visit first. Who visit first?
I don't want to know.
No, you not visit first.
I also get now for.
You visit them before we visit them.
Respect our guests.
Oga, he must answer that question.
Make no letter. You don't hold the heart. Oga Bola, abeg.
Sorry.
Take am easy, eh?
But mark that question down.
You see?
Sorry,
Eddie, you see am?
Number 2 be say, even yourself, you know, say, when the presidency first talk, say na only Jonah government them go investigate. Later, when they got the lambast of the majority of Nigerians, they believe say partial this is no good, they recanted.
Thank you.
Okay.
You know, say they recanted.
Okay.
No, answer say you know, not be okay. It's okay answer.
The okay is my okay.
It's okay answer.
The okay is my okay.
I know they like when they do like.
So no vex, Jare.
Na mushi dem born me, na mushi I grow.
No, I beg.
No vex.
If I want go, I'm on to away.
No vex.
I go remove my cap, put it down.
Remove your cap.
Now, one other important fact we may know be say criminal matter, you know, the time bound.
Thank you. Thank you.
What you want thank me?
No verse. I want make Unku be the year, so they thank you.
Suku Udio.
Sorry, sir.
Suku Udio.
No verse.
Oh, you know the problem.
No, it's not like that.
Oh, you fight. Oh, you and your mom.
Okay, sir.
So okay. Criminal matter, you know the time bound.
Yes.
So if anybody they investigate, if you dey chase a rabbit, if you dey chase a criminal rabbit, Any hole where you enter, no be him go follow am.
Na there you go enter now.
So if you dey chase a criminal topic now, e can't reach any government, either Methuselah government. You go say you go leave am.
No, nah, you go investigate am now.
So if Oga Buhari wan do himself good, make he let criminal investigation take in course. Abi you don't see common sense for the thing.
Yeah, of course, I see am. Oga Bola no vex. Make we, because we get Prince. Because since nobody else get this matter, they also get to also chook mouth. Prince, they call us from Owerri. Good morning, Prince.
Morning, my brother. Uncle, the man of the paper. How you doing?
Ade, Prince. Thank you very much.
Chukode, how you doing?
I dey hear you,
I greet our guest. So.
I know, and because of him, why I want concept.
Okay.
Obenga Ogbala. How you doing? Boloba, how you doing?
Ade can't pay my brother.
You get one head why they see you, but I know they see you there again. Nifemi Pro, I know they see you that place again. How are they?
Fine, we're fine.
Okay. Thing why I want to say be say, you know, in life, a person will get vision to do something. Now, that person know the way when go take do them. The thing go there better. You understand me? Nobody say another person will go carry another man's vision. Since it's the vision of Buhari to fight corruption, to me, I go say, make we allow this man, make him do him the way when take dream him. That thing go do him very well. But if this one go come tomorrow, they give him this suggestion. This one come go bring your own. This one go bring your own. This one go tell him where you go start, where you no go start, where you go end, where you no go end. It is there somehow. Since he be the one where get this vision, I think if he say, one probe only Oga Jonah government, make we leave him. If he say one probe, starting from when Nigeria don't begin, Nandaziki, wait time. Are you getting me? Make we leave him. Do you understand me? Because thing where I want to talk mainly be say, the time where Obasanjo, we know say money miss where many money, power money, we no see them. Many money where they say, hey, this one, the next 2002, power go there everywhere. We no see that money. We understand? Now, I'm Oga Jonah can enter. And I began to ask, and they wonder, say, what to make Oga Jonah no probe Oga Obasanjo? You understand me? See, that's why they thought, say, since now where this man don't come, where our President Buhari don't come, and get this vision, same one probe the next government. And we can't they bring that thing, say, if you want probe, make him probe, make him probe, like the time where Adam day, make him probe from Adam, they come. I think we go make we leave him for him, make him probe the way we want, and make we see. Good thing is good, and bad thing is bad.
Yes.
No matter who they do that thing. Bishop, no
Oga Prince, thank you very much. You don't make very, very important point.
Thank you very
so
much.
So even Oga Bola Oba, journalist of international repute, even
thing
for
is
you.
bad.
Good thing is good,
True.
bad thing is bad.
Bad. Simple.
We get Oga Sam. Oga Sam, they call us from Ikotun. Good morning, Oga Sam.
Good morning, my brother Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ezigo Chukudi.
Oga Sam, good morning, sir. Quick one before you greet our visitor.
Yes, Bola Oba, you there on the ground.
Oga Sam.
Yes.
You go call us back. After you talk this your talk, you go call us back by 11. Make you give us your number.
Okay.
After you talk this your talk, by 11, call us back. Give us your number, I beg.
Yes.
I beg, make your contribution. Thank you.
We bless God for Nigeria is getting more and more awareness. Because our politicians, we started with the first public politicians started with tribalism. And then we drifted into Babangida's era with financial corruption. Today, we are neck deep into it, and we need international peace commission, not Nigerian National Peace Commission, because our Nigerians who are there, first of all, let's look at the religious solution to this matter. In the Bible, the prophets criticized kings. But today, our men of God are going side by side with government in power because they are one way or other involved in the corruption. Then, number two, the issue of corruption, as it were, from Abdulsalam Abubakar's time, our president-elect died in his hands. That is corruption because he definitely kept that man in Gula.
Tell no more.
So therefore, as he stands out today, The government should face out of this matter. It is a judicial matter, not a church matter, not a mosque matter. It is a matter where conscience is speaking them one by one. If they like it or not, the time is coming when the people will rise up and say, enough is enough. God bless Nigeria.
God bless you too, Oga Sam, for that contribution. That is, you talk am, you open your mind, just drop and say, bam, see my own view on this matter.
Nigerians are some of the most intelligent people on the face of the earth.
We talk am now.
The thing why they talk, no be say I just want patronize the viewers. If you go to any class in the world, be it in the sciences or the arts,
or the humanities,
be it in the humanities and this thing, Nigerians will be in the class and will be marching at the same pace with the very intelligent. You know, here the thing where people they call they talk. You think people can easily fool this one?
Take this call from Happiness. I don't know whether Happiness now male or female, but from the name and the voice we go know. Happiness, good morning.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Nkwobi.
Happiness, good morning.
How are you doing, Nkwobi?
We did fine.
Nkwobi, you're doing a good job. God will bless you.
Thank you very much.
Nkwobi, with my contribution this morning, let us tell whether PDP or APC, let them come on hand. Let them allow Buhari to do their work. Let them allow the president, Mr. President, to do his work.
Oga Happiness, thank you very, very much. Very important point.
You just drop. Sharp, you know, even waste
from
time.
Our people wey now call us, they very, very clear. Say, as Oga President talk, say he won't fight corruption. Everybody believe him. But nobody wants to undo interference from the outside. How we go take to stop this outside interference? Because the former president, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo talk, say he won't come see you. You don't go dodge him. You don't go hide from him now. You don't go hide from him.
You dey talk to me.
I dey talk to you.
If anybody say won't come see me,
former president,
if anybody say won't come see me, I no go say make the person no come see me. But my mama they usually tell me that time where I be stubborn boy for Mushin. She go talk say Adisa. The thing I will speak about, I go speak about this transliteration where Oyinbo people they talk, because if I talk about Yoruba, no be everybody go here. He go say the thing where I go do about you, now my belly day.
That is what I go do.
Every masquerade will dance in front of me. From masquerade where carry wig, masquerade where no get wig, masquerade where cover eye, masquerade where no get eye. But like your first caller say, if to say I get vision and purpose to do something, I go listen to all lawyers now.
From Yaba, make we quickly enter Delta. Collect this call from Oga Henry. Oga Henry, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Ukubi.
Good morning, Oga Henry. We did fine.
I like our program.
Thank you very much.
I love the program.
Thank you.
For you people to make us to speak our mind, making Nigeria see the hear our mind.
Yes.
Our topics today, whether they call Obasanjo is supposed to give us chance now. It's supposed to give Nigeria a chance. Make them see, because if the general at that time, this is another general now. Make them see if he see the way this man look. That's why we know the difference between the two generals. You understand?
Yeah, we understand.
So, make it give us chance, because I went at the phone and so I hear Obasanjo. So on our topic today about what?
Our topic now about the issue of say they won't probe Oga Jonah government and then the committee they also visit Oga Muhammad Buhari, make us they fair, make it not just restrict to one particular government. That is headed by the Abdulsalam Abubakar, former president.
Yes, now in short, for me, if nobody Jonah government is supposed to prove. They're supposed to pray above Jonah, because that time Abacha loot PDP, the program, the money where PDP takes from Abacha will not hear. So make it the probe above Jonah government. Make the probe go to the governor to the all of them when it involved, because we remember that I say for Delta State, our Delta State here, Our governor, they always they bribe Obasanjo with the money. He not win election, but he was bribing with the money so that he go feel rule in time. I remember saying there was a time when, for course, Obasanjo with Kanene come go to that for court to make the governor that time make them rule the case for her. Now money that they take all those ones. They not develop better state here. Even the same thing. If I tell the work, make them close everybody. Because the people they suffer, not the one that they look out for them. So people they suffer.
Okay, thank you very, very much for your contribution. At least from Delta State, you don't also trick your own mouth into this matter. So Gagbola, you don't hear hearing.
In talk,
you don't hear happiness.
Everybody talk, they clear.
Adekunle don't they?
Okay, Adekunle from Lokoja. Adekunle from Lokoja, good morning.
Good morning, I can't do it.
Yes, I beg.
You go raise your voice
up because
you follow for the committee.
They hot here.
I mean, you follow for the committee.
Na bedroom voice in use.
Okay, we dey hear you, Adekunle.
Ibao?
Yes. We dey hear.
Okay, so my contribution to this topic is this topic is die. I enjoy when I wear my God bless you now.
Thank you very much.
So the way I want to say about you say when I know they are alive. When I they are alive now, it will be more billionaires. If you look at our president and actually democracy. So the contribution to the Buhari, they want to make Nigeria happy with them. And they want to make Nigeria look to see the kind of promise when you promise if you not pay anybody. Let it start the promise from Genesis to Revolution. Because this Nigeria where we do so and I don't want to matter with the CEO, I know but honestly I'm a day better to tell. And the Yoruba say it's about and you look at Omota I mean, would you believe that? Make the children of Nigeria today who they not free. Tell the how to win Nigeria to tomorrow. Now, make Buhari no look anybody face because all those kind of people that is started themselves there will be anything. There will not be law. Which concern them about the
Adekunle.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very, very much for your own contribution towards that. They so make Oga Mohammed but make you not look anybody face, make you just carry on with your own action. Yes, right about now, we go do it, we go enter market, go find out as market be to know how far the sales and the buying they go, will they come.
Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. We don't reach the final place where we say, from where we stand, we dey see the bus stop. And then we go continue until we reach the final place on top of the discussion when concern everybody inside Obodo, Nigeria. We get Oga Felix when we say in there on top of the line, they hang, they wait for us all the way from Niger State. Oga Felix, good morning, sir.
Oga Felix, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Oga Okubi, good morning.
Good morning. We dey hear you.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Felix. I beg greet our Ogbonge visitor.
Our Ogbonge visitor, good morning, sir.
Okay. Aya Chukmat, make we hear.
My own contribution for this matter today is Buhari with this election, many people don't see here, especially our people who lose our so.
Kai. Bila say, Oga Felix, I beg, the network, Bila say, will they get break? They too flow well. We don't hear you too clearly. I beg, call us back if you fit. So, back to what we talk about. We don't see calls from the likes of Adekunle. We talk, say, look, make everybody leave Oga Mohammed Buhari. We don't see calls from Henry. Almost, in fact, everybody we don't call so far, they almost follow the same track. Say, allow this government to do it, to carry out their action the way they're supposed to carry them out. So, Oga Bolaba, from your own angle, you feel say yes, it is the right time because if you say all these movements no go distract Oga Presido from carrying out the action the way he's supposed to carry them out.
Where me,
Oga Bola, look, I beg, we get Ogoke. We need to collect this call from him. Ogoke, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkove.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Ogoke.
Good morning, Mr. Bola, about the Ogbonga visitor, the big masquerade. Welcome in the studio.
Thank you very much, my brother.
All right. Make I shoot my small.
Okay.
This year, first of all, I want to shoot my for concerning the meeting and the other thing. These people, where they do meeting, do that. Me, I believe that their own hand no also they clean. Because when you touch eye, you also touch nose. So I believe in a defense, neither the Naxo, make you not reach them.
Them.
Then again, concerning our former president visit to Mr. President, like I said earlier, if you say maybe get something because they say now collective effort, now they go take move this present administration go on Abi. I believe say get waiting maybe our new president is sick from him. How go take or one or two things we go pick from him so that he go still work out. Then concerning OBJ own, like I said also, it's time for him to relax. Let these people clean up those necks, those things where they do, where they affect us today. Thank you. God bless you now.
Thank you very much.
Very much.
Okay, don't talk the matter finish. We don't even need go far. It just be like say, na general consensus. I go speak English. General consensus. Everybody for Nigeria, they're very, very clear on what thing they want to make President Muhammadu Buhari do for Nigeria. But the problem now, I say, I go put you on the spot. Make we look the time frame. When we say, from now till when we go begin to see some kind move, not be just on top of the pages of newspaper or for news, when we go feel beat our chest, say yes, so indeed, as Oga President don't talk, say he won't fight corruption, he go really fight corruption. But before you answer that question, I'm going to take Ismail from Niger, so that he go recover from waiting Oga Felix they won't talk. Oga Ismail, good morning, sir.
Oga Ismail.
Good morning, Kubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my Ogbenge visitor.
Thank you, my brother.
I want to come for this matter.
Okay.
You see, all those people when they gather themselves, care from Abdul Salam, is it not Abacha Luther? Is it not the Abacha what he look now Abacha carry for head? Is it because Abacha don't die? Who proved him? So all those people when gather themselves as religious leader, Boko Haram, they keep people for not there. They never gather themselves how they could settle that one. They never gather themselves. They won't come beg because they chop inside the government. Not be Absalam, they give contract of a NEPA gives when no give account. So he knows monkey hand they inside soup. That is why they gather themselves, they won't come beg. When they make the lead Buhari, make it didn't work. They didn't work. That's my own contribution.
Thank you very much, Oga Ismail.
Oga Gwalaba, now you get the floor now. Now your floor. Fire down.
One person in the next 20 years, 50 years, 100 years, now one person name them go remember whether he do am right or he no do am right.
Yes.
What will be that person name?
President Muhammadu
the
Buhari.
current president, yes.
Nigerians don't do their own part of the business.
Like giving them the mandate.
It's a social contract in a democracy. Nigerians don't give them the mandate because in tell Nigerians say the madness where we they see before, the kind dance where masquerade they dance before, where they dance take deep in hand inside pot of soup and miss the commode. He say you no go allow that kind dance anymore.
Again, yeah.
Buhari, if he loves himself, make you not let anybody confuse him. I help him follow Joy. You know why I help him follow Joy? Because as people they visit him for night, some they visit him for party arrangement. Day before, not too long ago, he set up one committee where they for he put eminent jurists. Even my mouth.
Your mouth should say
even my teeth won't come out. He put eminent jurists and eminent personalities for that committee. The only thing where I beg that committee be say, make them help give us suggestion. Where in go take present reforms legislation to our legislature to address this bad criminal justice system where we get where we say if you get money, it's difficult for you to genuinely account for your misdemeanor either in office or because for Nigeria now, if you steal like billions and you do like Oyinbo go talk, say you get like 100 million ring fence for litigation, if they take you go court, they just dey waste time. You know, no remember say Ubori face 173 count charge.
All the charge.
For Asaba.
All the charge.
He walk away like,
really?
Don't touch my anointed.
But he can't go face small one.
He go Sodok Crown Court. Sodok Crown Court for London. For charge. Before they even start, the body say, I get you.
You don't already arrange.
Nah, because of the war leg of our criminal justice system, yeah, where we say if you take somebody to court, it go first start with jurisdiction. They go take jurisdiction, go Supreme Court. When they come back, when they start the case again, it go take law of evidence, go Supreme Court. Before he come back, 10 years don't go. Una remember, say nobody, don't single person. For the first class of governors who we have from between 1999 and 2007, none of them don't get conviction.
No one. But Oga quickly, with all these ones when they for ground, K-leg of our criminal justice system and the rest of them, you believe say we fit kill corruption for Nigeria? Talk am, make them hear
Even
you.
if no fit kill am completely,
May we wound down. Talk am, make them hear you.
No society where corruption don't fully die before.
But we fit do anyhow.
And they come, my brother.
Time no day now. That's why I want
no society where corruption don't die fully. But as I dey talk to you now, I won't tell you with full confidence, any of your viewers can go and check it. Out of the last 4 governors of the state of Illinois, where Chicago dey for America, 3-day jail.
Simple. Oga Gbolaba, you will come back again to discuss this matter where our people went there for our house. We dey talk and say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Until we come back tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke based on everything we don't discuss this week. My name is Izugu Chukwudi.
And my own name is Nkube.
Oga Gbolaba, we go shake your hand.
I thank you, people.
Make we shake your hand. Thank you very much.
Make I be fair. Make I be fair to the two of them. Make I the favor.
Thank you very much for coming on top of us.
Thank you very much.
Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.